and it's your girl, the Natural Guru, here back with another video. And today's video is gonna be makeup. I'm gonna do my brows since I never do my brows on here. I'm just gonna go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Maple. This has really turned into my favorite concealer because y'all, the application, the brightness I get and the smoothness I get under my eyes, I have never gotten that with any other concealer. And the applicator is huge, kind of like the Shape Tape, but it's not. I think this is better than the Shape Tape. So I'm just gonna apply that under my brows and just clean my brows up. Now that that's all prepped and ready to go, I do not set that. I just let that dry up. I am gonna go in with a primer, so I'm just gonna add that everywhere. And also I'm gonna go in with this e.l.f. poreless putty, and I'm gonna put it in the places where I get the most oily. And we're gonna go right into the eyes. I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush, and I'm gonna go into the Morphe 18B Making Bank palette. And this is how that palette kind of looks a little bit. I'm only gonna use one color out of here because again, we're going like real simple. So on the parts of my eye, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe bronzer in the color Phenom. And I'm just going to pat that on the corners. So you see how it looks more blended? So we're just gonna keep blending that in. So now we're gonna go into this palette and we're going to pat a little bit in this green with that Morphe brush right here. So put on your favorite pair of lashes. As you know, my favorite pair are the Salon Perfect Go Glam lashes because they're just the right amount of wispy and flare. I love because I love being able to, you see what I'm saying? We're gonna go in with that Maple Too Faced and Maple, and we're just going to add product right here, okay? We're gonna add like that. You don't need that much at first, so. And what I do, I go in with this foundation brush and I just did. Do you see that coverage? It's like a very smooth coverage, but it's also a good highlight, you know? And with concealer, you know, you can go as, under your eyes, you can go as light as you want to be, you know? You go as bright as you want to be. It's just like, look at that. Beautiful. Like, it's just beautiful. I love it. Now, I'm going to try to move like a little bit down to my chin area and my lip. I'm going to put a little bit on my forehead as well. Now, this look for me is lightweight. So as y'all can see, y'all can still see a little bit of, you know, the pigmentation on my lips. And if you want to, you can go in and add some more, or you can literally leave it like that, because we are going to go over that with our brush that we use to contour, you know. Then we're going to go in with the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I have the, I think this is the second to last darkest shade, and this is in Rich Ebony. So again, thick applicator. I love thick applicators, and I'm telling y'all, don't use a lot of this. You literally just need that. And this dries up so quick. I really didn't even need that much, so I'm gonna tap it right there. And I'm gonna put a little bit over here. Now I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Buffing foundation brush, I believe, and I'm just going to buff it in there like that. And this concealer has a rich red undertone, so I like it because I'm two-toned it, so part of my skin is like really darker than the other, and there's nothing I can really do about it because that's just how I was born. I've always had this, so it being darker in that area, it really helps me. So we're gonna go on the nose, and this is my favorite part, y'all. This is my favorite part. And if you ever put too much, just tap it off like that and tap it on a napkin like that, because it's very pigmented. So we're gonna go in like this, and it's gonna go into your eyebrow like that. So to blend the top in, because I know we look crazy right now, I'm gonna go in just a little bit right there. Boom. So we just gonna tap that in. Tap, tap, tap. Tap in. Tap, 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 tap in. Don't disturb your baby hairs. Just buff and tap. So to finish the contour of the nose, I'm going to take a little bit. I'm cleaning off. I'm cleaning off the applicator, and I'm just going to just tap like that, like that. And I'm going to take the concealer brush, and I'm just going to tap, tap, tap in. Do you see how much of a difference that made? Like, beautiful. You can go in with this, which is it's Sephora's Micro Smooth in the color Deep. Now you can go in with this and you can set your under eyes, or you can go in with a lighter whatever and set your under eyes. Let me try it on my chin first. That's not bad, but I'm not really applying. How did that look, y'all? Does that look smooth? How about I tap it on the concealer and just do that? Done. I'm not adding that much. I'm just gonna swoop it over and do that. That way it can set and not look as oily. You know what I'm saying? So now we're gonna go in with that same, what's the name, contour, or should I go in with my Fenty? They both have like red undertones, you know? And I'm like, do I want to be red? Because if I use this sets off the already red undertone I got from that camo concealer. But if I use this is going to enhance it. So let's go with both. Why not? I'm just going to tap it in. And then I'm going to tap into the Fenty, and I'm just going to, you don't need that much of Fenty, you know? You can honestly skip this step, but blush just does something to the face. So I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Blush Trio in Peachy Love, and I'm going to go in with Ginger, which is the reddest color in here. So I'm going to take that same contour brush, and I'm just going to smile and just add it like this. Just a little bit. We don't want a lot. See, it just, you know, You can use blush for a bronze look. There's nothing wrong with that. Last time I added some ashy ass blush on my face, y'all. I don't know if y'all noticed in that video, but it was so ashy, and I knew that blush was gonna look ashy on me, and I still continue to use it. Honestly, I don't even know why I got it in my thing. Maybe because for my clients when I do start back doing makeup, but I knew I shouldn't use that damn blush. Made me look white as snow. I just didn't understand it. Like, what? Girl, you know I don't be trying to waste money, because I'm always wasting money. So I'm trying to get my use out of all this stuff, you know. But anyway, let's go in with this Morphe High Impact Highlighter Impact Palette. Morphe High Impact Highlighter Palette. That Morphe gave us in this beautiful palette. And I am a fan for the summertime. That's why I had to get it. And it was only $6 at Ulta. So, you're going to take your blush brush or whatever brush you use to blush. And I don't really like this brush to blush. I mean to highlight. So I'm going to use this. I feel like this is for contour. Not sure. And I think I'm going to go in with... Now, I've been using Comet. Comet is like a pinky highlight. And this is like really pink, Aurora. I'm gonna go in with Comet. I am gonna go in with my favorite lip pencil, Morphe in Trendsetter. So I am gonna go in with this Ruby Kisses H Rose lipstick. Just like that. Ain't that pretty? Like, this makes you happy, doesn't it? Now you're gonna go in with your setting spray. This is my favorite setting spray, Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. Okay, Guru Gang. So, I know y'all feeling this look, y'all. I know y'all feeling this look. When I tell you I feel so good, hair flourishing, look at this. This is something I wasn't even prepared for. You feel me? So, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please let me know if y'all recreate this look or if y'all found this tutorial helpful, because I need to know these things, because I really like makeup and I want to, you know, show y'all what I've learned, because I'm not a makeup artist, but I do like makeup, period. But anyway, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you don't miss an upload. And I'll see y'all in my next video, Guru Gang. Peace!